Dear Coders Warrior, this is my first HTML crash course. My name is Naspon. I am a front-end developer. Let's start to our noob to pro web design journey. First step, create a folder, then create a file, index HTML. Question, why I write HTML? Because this is a declaration of HTML5. Look at the HTML. This is basic HTML5 structure. Let's deep dive to basic structure. Doctype HTML. It is declaration of HTML5 just look like HTML identity. HTML has a few version. This version is modern and lot of feature included. Definition and usage. Technically, it is not a tag. The doctype declaration refers document type declaration. That means browser can understand it HTML5 version. We are understanding what is doctype HTML and why needed. Next part will be HTML lang. Keep practicing.